Om Shri Sai Ram. Today we study the new chapter cubes and cube root. In this chapter we discuss about cube and cube roots and finding cube through the prime factorization method, and also finding the cube through prime factorization method and cube roots through prime factorization method. Fourth one, estimation of cube root of cube numbers. So, what do you mean by cube? In geometry, there is a three-dimensional figure, that is closed figure. It has a 6 faces and 6 squares. Okay. In geometry, in algebra, a number multiplied by itself 3 times, the obtained number is called the cube of that number. Okay. Example, 3 cube. 3 cube is equal to, we multiplied 3 into 3 times, 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. That is 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3 is the 9, 9 3 is the 27. 27 is the cube of 3. Okay. See, if you see, this is the Rubik's cube. This is in a geometry. It is a 3-dimensional figure. Okay. It has 6 faces and 6 square faces and 6 square faces. Okay. Next, what do you mean by cube numbers? Okay. First, they give a number, we have to find cube number. Number is 1, its cube is, you have to multiply it 3 times, 1 into 1 into 1, that is 1 cube. 1 cube is equal to 1. Next, the number 2. 2 cube means we have to multiply that number 3 times, 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Next, 3. 3 also multiply by 3 times, 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Next, 4 cube. 4 into 4 into 4. 4 4s are 16. 16 into 4, 64. Like this, 5 into 5 into 5, 125, that is 5 cube. 6 into 6 into 6, that is 6 cube is equal to 216, like that. Okay. See, 1, 8, 27, 64. These are called cube numbers. It is also called as perfect cubes. Okay. Next, we discuss about some properties of a cube. See, you have to observe the numbers and also cube numbers. What are the similarities and what are the properties you will observe? See, 1, it is also 1. 2, it is an even number. 8, 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2 is equal, 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 8. 8 is also even number. Let us see, 3. 3 into 3 into 3, 27. Is it right? 27 is an odd number. 3 is also odd number. Next, 4. 4 into 4 into 4, that is 64. 64 is an even number. 4 is an even number. Is it right? If a number is even, if the given number is even, then its cube number is also a even. Is it right? See, cube of 2, I already told it is 8. 2 is a even number. 8 is also, which is also a even number. Next, cube of 4. It is 64. This is also even number. This is also even number, which is an even number. Next, if a number is odd, then its cube number is also a odd. Is it right? If a number is odd, then its cube number is also a odd. Cube of 3 is 27. You all know that. 3 means 3 is a odd number. 27 is also a odd number. So, cube of 3 is 27, which is a odd number. we can say that if a number is odd, then its cube number is also a odd. See another example, cube of 5. 5 is 125, which is a odd number. 5 is an also odd number, 125 is also an odd number. Cube of 5 is 125. So, we can say that if a number is odd, its cube number is also an odd. Next, cube and its prime factor. Before going to this concept, we know about what do you mean by prime numbers, and first we have to know prime numbers. What do you mean by prime number? The number which is divisible by 1 and number itself. The number which is divisible by only 1 or the given number itself. For example, it is 2. 2 is divisible by either by 1, 1 ones are 1 twos are, or it is divisible by 2, 2, 2 ones are 2 ones are. If suppose we take 5, 5 is divisible by 1, 1 ones are 1 fives are. Okay. Next, 5 divided by 5, 5 ones are 5 ones are. Is it right? But it can be divided by 2? No. It can be divided by 3? No, it is not divisible. So, the number which is divisible by 1 and number itself is called prime number. Say example 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, so on, etc. Next, what do you mean by composite numbers? Let us know. The numbers it has more than 2 factors. See, it has more than 2 factors, means for example, we can take 4. It is divisible by 1 ones, 1 fours, 1 factor. 4 is divisible by 2, 2 ones, 2 twos, another factor. 4 is divisible by 1 4 by 4, 4 ones, 4 ones, it is 1. So, it has 3 factors. See, it has 3 factors. This means the numbers it has more than 2 factors, that is called composite numbers. Example 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, so on, etc. Okay. Now, we on to the problem 1 through prime factorization method. Problem 1 is 392 is a perfect cube. It is a perfect cube. If not, find the smallest natural number by which it should be multiplied so as to get a perfect cube. First, we check 392 is a perfect cube or not. First, we have to check by prime factorization method. Okay. First, you have to check 392 is a perfect cube or not. If it is not a perfect cube, we have to multiply by that number to get a perfect cube. Okay. See solution. First, through prime factorization method, you have to solve this problem. 392, 2 ones are, the smallest prime number is 2, 2 ones are 2, 1 carry, 2 nines are 18, matte carry 12 aitu 12, 2 6 are 12. Next again 2 nines are 18, 1 carry 16, it becomes 16, 2 8s are 16. Again 2 4s are 8, 1 carry, it becomes 18, 2 9s are 18. Next, it is not divisible by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, so 1 is remaining, so it is not divisible by 2. We can take 3, 3 ones are 3, 19 becomes 19, 3 6 are 18, it is also not divisible. So, we can go through 7, 7 sevens are 49. Next, 7 ones are 7. Okay. From this we can identify it is a perfect cube. Yes. Prime factors are 392 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 7 into 7. Okay. See, 392 is equal to, we have these numbers into a grouping into cube, means we taken cube means we are grouping into 3 numbers into a one group, same numbers, 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7, but it has no pair. Here prime factor 7 is not appear in the group 3. It has only 2. It has not appear in the group 3. So 392 must be multiplied. The given question is multiplied. So we have to multiply that number by 7 to make it a perfect cube. So we multiplied 392 into 7. 392 into 7. 7 2s are 14. 1 carry, 7 ends are 63. 1 6 carry, 7 3s are 21 plus 6 27. 2744, which is a perfect cube. Okay. Next we see another problem. Problem 2 is 53240 is a perfect cube. If not, find the smallest natural number by which it should be divided. It should be divided so that the quotient is a perfect cube. In the last question they are multiplied. In this question they get divided. The number which is divided to get a perfect cube. Okay. Answer 53240. First, through prime factorization method we simplify this one. 2 2s are 4, 13, 2 6 are 12, again 1, it becomes 12, 5 6, 2 6 are 12, 2 2s are 4, 0 as it is. Next again 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 0 as it is. Next again we divide this number by 2, 2 6 are 12, 1 carry, it becomes 13, 2 6 are 12, again it is 1, it becomes 11, 2 5s are 10, again it is 1 10, 2 5s are 10. It is clear now. Now we can take 2, but it is not divisible by 2. We can take it is not divisible by 2. So we can directly go to it is divisible by 11. 11 6 are 66. So 5 is there. So we take 0 and put it down 5. Sorry, 55. 11 5s are 55. Next 6 not 5 it becomes 11 5s are 55, carry 5, it becomes 55, 11 5s are again 55, 11 5s are 55, 5 1s are 5. Now we write the prime factor for 53240. The prime factors are 2 into 2 into 2, 2 into 2 into 2 we can write, and 11 into 11 into 11, 11 into 11 into 11 into 5 into 5. See, next we have into a groups, 2 into 2 into 2, again 11 into 11 into, it is also another group, into 5. It has no pair, is it right? Here prime factor 5 is not appear in the group 3. See, it is appear in group 3, it is also appear in the group 3, but 5 it is not appear in the group 3. So the question is 53240 must be divided by 5 because 5 has not appear in the group 3. So the number is divided by 5. 53240 divided by 5. 5 1s are 5, 0, 5 6s are 30, 24 it becomes 5 8s are 5, 4s are 20, next 4 40 it becomes 40, it becomes 8, 10648, which is a perfect cube. Next we move on to cube roots. What do you mean by cube root? We already know that what do you mean by cube. Now we move on to cube roots. Cube root are the inverse operation of a cube numbers. How do you say? It is a inverse operation. Cube root is denoted by a this one. We can denote it by root of 3. This is the cube root is denoted by this symbol. Okay. How do you say cube root or the inverse operation of a cube numbers? For example, 4, it is cube, cube means we can multiply 3 times, 4 into 4 into 4, that is equal to 64. This is the cube number. Cube number obtained. Reverse it, we obtain cube of that number, cube root of that number. It can be reversed, it can be obtained 64. See, 4 cube is equal to, we can write it in the cube number, it is 64. What we can do? 64. How will you write 64? 4 into 4 into 4. Is it right? Now, 4 cube. This is 4 cube. Is it right? There are 3 4s. So, we can write it as 4 cube. Now, in the exponential form, we can, this can be written as 1 by 3. 3 3 cancel, 4 power 1, that is 4. So, cube root of 64 is 4. How do you say it is the inverse operation of a cube number? See, this is a cube, inverse operation of that number, cube root of that number is, or can calculate by, it is a inverse operation. Cube root is a inverse operation of a cube. Next, finding the cube root by prime factorization method. We know already finding the cube by prime factorization method. Now, finding the cube root by prime factorization method. Let us see. Find the cube root of 216 through prime factorization method. First, you have to simplify by prime factorization method. Again, 2 1s are 2, 0, 2 8s are 16. Okay. Next, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, it becomes 14, 2 7s are 14. Now, 27, it is not divisible by 2, not completely divisible by 2. So, we can use 3 9s are 27. Now, 9 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Now, prime factors of 216 are 2 into 2 into 2, you can write 3 into 3 into 3. Yes. Now, 216, it become, we can group into a 3 becomes one group and other become another group. 2 into 2 into 2 it is one group, 3 into 3 into 3 it has another group. Now, we can write it in a, this can be written it as 3. So, we can write it as 2 cube into, as it is 3 is, there are 3 numbers of 3. So, we can write it as in a 3 cube. Next, we know exponential law, the powers are same. We can write in the form of a into b whole power of m. So, this is like in this form, 2 cube into 3 cube. See, exponents are same, powers are same. So, we can write it in the form of a into b whole power of m. So, 216 is equal to 2 into 3 together it is cube, we can write. Now, 2 into 3 6. So, cube as it is 6 cube, 216 is equal to 6 cube. So, the cube root of 216 is 6. Okay. So, 216 is a perfect cube, we can say that 216 is a perfect cube. Finding cube root of a cube number by estimation method. Okay. By estimation, we have to find the cube root of cube numbers by estimation. They given cube number. This is a perfect cube number. The given perfect cube number. We have to find cube root by estimation. First question. Find the cube root of a cube number 857375. It has 3 steps. Okay. Step 1, what we have to do? Form group of 3 starting from the rightmost digit. We are grouping 3 groups, okay, from the rightmost digit 375 857 375 857. You ask, sir, if it is a 5 numbers or 4 number, what we can do, sir? If it is a 5 number, the given number is a perfect cube, group of 3 starting from the right digit. For example, 4 5 3 5 7. We have to group into this group, and again the numbers which is left, these are 2 numbers. So, we can group into 2 numbers. If there is a left, if there are 6 numbers, we can group into a 3 numbers. Step 2, take 375. Why we take 375? Because rightmost digit we can take this number first. So, take 375. The digit 5 at one's place, so cube number of 5 ends with 5. Is it right? See, 1 is end with 1. If a cube number of a unit digit at a place, unit place ends with 8, its cube number is 2. If a cube number of a unit in the unit place, it has 7, its number ends with, its cube number ends with 3. Next, see, the cube number, it has at the unit place, it has 4. The cube number contains, it has 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. But see, 3 and 7, it is different. 6 and 7 and 3, it is vice versa. 8 and 2, it is vice versa. 9s become 9, 0, 0. See, in step 2, 375. In the unit digit, it has 5. So, cube of that number, it is also ends with 5. So, we can easily find out. So, required cube is 5 and it is a unit place. You have to find 10th place. Now, for finding 10th place, there is step 3. Then take the other group 857. We can take the number 857, another group. The number is 857 375. We can group first. After that, you have to identify the unit place of that cube number. Given cube number is ends with 5. So, the number of the cube number ends with also 5. So, we can take now 857. That can take the other group 857. See, 857 lies in between 8 and 9, 9 and 10. See, 857 lies between 9 and 10. How do you say? 9 cube is 729. 10 cube is 1000. The number 857 lies in between 9 and 10. Is it right? So, we can take 857 lies between 9 and 10. Lies between 9 and 10. So, the smallest number between among them. In these two numbers, which is the smallest number, 9 or 10? Absolutely, it is 9. 9 is the smallest number among 9 and 10. Is it right? So, take 9 as a required cube at one's place. So, we can take 9 at one's place. We are, it is a, so it is 5. In the last concept, it is 5, 95. So, required cube of 857,375 is 95. Okay. If they given any other number, for example, 85732. So, now what we do? We can again group into, first one is 3, group into 3, another one is become 2. Now, second step, what I have to do? The number, it is end with a 2. Is it right? the cube of that number, cube root of that number is also ends with an 8. It will ends with 2. The cube number is 8. So, in the unit place we have to write 8. 85. 85 lies in between which number? 64 and 4 and 5. Is it right? Which is the smallest number among 4 and 5? It is 4. So, 48. Like that. Like this you have to do the problems. Next, homework. First question, which of the following numbers are not perfect cubes? What the question is, which of the following numbers are not perfect cube? They given some numbers, two numbers 128 and 100. You have to identify, and which of the following numbers is not perfect. You have to identify which is not a perfect cube. Okay. Second one, is 72 is a perfect cube? Is 72 is a perfect cube or not? If it is not, find the smallest natural number by 72 must be multiplied so that the product is a perfect cube. It is not a if it is not a perfect cube, then you have to multiply it by the smallest natural number. The product is become perfect cube. Next, find the cube root of 512 by prime factorization method. You have to find cube root, not cube root of 512 by prime factorization method. Last question, find the cube root of 12167 through estimation method. You have to find that one, not doing by prime factorization or other method. You have to only estimate. I already told in the last slide what you have to do. By through you have to estimate what is the cube root of this number. Okay. Let us end this chapter. Thank you. Sai Ram.